In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your QuickBooks account online in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to cancel your QuickBooks subscription, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through this process step by step to ensure everything is clear and simple. So let's dive in. First things first, you want to open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks website. Once you're there, the first step is to click on Sign In. This will take you to the login page where you can access your account. Make sure you're signing into the right account where you have your QuickBooks subscription. Next, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online from the list of options. This is important because QuickBooks offers several different platforms and you'll want to ensure you're managing the correct one. Once you've selected QuickBooks Online, it's time to enter your credentials. Carefully type in your username and password, then click Continue to proceed. Now you're logged into your QuickBooks account and it's time to head to the settings. To do that, locate the gear icon, which is generally found in the upper right corner of the QuickBooks interface. Click on it and it will bring up a menu with several options. In the menu that appears, you will see an option for subscriptions and billing. Click on this option to access the page where you manage your subscription. This is a crucial step, as all actions related to your subscription, including cancellation, are handled here. Once you are on the subscriptions and billing page, you'll see a series of options and details related to your QuickBooks plan. Look for the option labelled Cancel Your Trial or Cancel Plan, depending on whether you're in a trial period or not. Click this option to start the cancellation process. Following that, you'll be prompted by a confirmation step asking if you're sure you want to cancel your plan. Here, click on Cancel Plan again to proceed. This step ensures that you've intentionally chosen to cancel and did not mistakenly click earlier. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm your decision one more time. Read through any messages that QuickBooks presents to ensure you are aware of any consequences of cancelling, such as losing access to your financial data stored on the platform. When you're ready, click on Yes Cancel to finalise your account deletion. And that's it! You've successfully cancelled your QuickBooks subscription and deleted your account online. Keep in mind that if you ever need to, you can always sign up again in the future. I hope this step-by-step guide made the process simple and straightforward for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.